United States banks must be jealous. Borders with official welcome to the Coop, we are oh freaking crazy chicken farm shirt bedrooms. Instead of cages. I like it. That's official welcome to the Coop, we are oh freaking crazy chicken farm shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Donald Trump has unsuccessfully tried to official welcome to the Coop, we are oh freaking crazy chicken farm shirts acquire that bank at least 34 times. Viruses say, borders? We. Other products.